In this video, I'll show you how to create a traffic campaign in Meta Ads. If you want to send people to your website, landing page, WhatsApp, blog, store, or any external link, the traffic campaign objective is one of the easiest ways to get started. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account. Then make sure you select the correct ad account before creating the campaign. Next, click the Create button. Meta will ask you to choose a campaign objective. Select Traffic. This objective is designed to get more people to click your ad and visit the destination you choose, such as a website, app, messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram profile. After selecting Traffic, click Continue. Now give your campaign a clear name so you can recognize it later. For example, you can name it based on the offer, audience, or date. You can leave most campaign settings as default, unless you already know you need special options like A/B testing or campaign budget optimization. Next, go to the ad set level. This is where you choose where you want to send people. Under Conversion Location or Destination, select the option that matches your goal. If you want people to visit a website, choose Website. If you want people to message you on WhatsApp, choose WhatsApp. If you want traffic to an app, select App. Now set your budget and schedule. Choose how much you want to spend per day or over the lifetime of the campaign. If you're just starting, begin with a budget you're comfortable testing with, then increase it later if the campaign performs well. After that, choose your audience. Select the location, age, gender, interests, behaviors, or custom audience you want to target. If you're not sure, keep the audience broad enough so Meta has room to find people who are likely to click your ad. Next, choose your placements. You can use Advantage Plus placements if you want Meta to automatically show your ad across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. This is usually the easiest option for beginners. If you want more control, you can manually choose specific placements. Now move to the ad level. This is where you create the actual ad people will see. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Then choose your ad format. You can use a single image, video, carousel, or existing post. Upload your creative, write your primary text, add a headline, and choose a clear call to action button. For a traffic campaign, buttons like Learn More, Shop Now, Sign Up, or Send Message can work depending on where you're sending people. Next, add your destination link. If you're sending traffic to a website or landing page, paste the correct URL and make sure it opens properly. Before publishing, always test the link so you don't waste money sending people to a broken page. After everything is set, review your campaign from top to bottom. Check the objective, budget, audience, placements, creative, text, call to action, and destination link. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Meta will now review your ad. If it gets approved, the campaign will start delivering based on your budget, targeting, and schedule. After it runs for a while, check the results inside Ads Manager. Pay attention to metrics like link clicks, cost per click, landing page views, reach, and click-through rate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a traffic campaign in Meta Ads. The main steps are simple. Choose the traffic objective, set your destination, define your audience, upload your ad, add your link, and publish the campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Meta Ads, Facebook ads, and digital marketing tutorials.